In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add attendance to your time issues. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From the drop-down menu, choose Issues. You should arrive at a list that looks like this. Before making any adjustments, make sure you are viewing the correct day or date range. Notice the first employee has a voided attendance because that attendance status was invalid. Maybe she clocked out but not on, or something along those lines, and I need to add her attendance in manually. I can click the Add Attendance in the upper left-hand corner of this chart, and now I can create that time entry. First, select your employee. I'll click this arrow and scroll all the way down to Vera. Next, make sure you're adding time to the correct date. I don't want to add it to the last day of the month. I want to add it to the 18th. Type will automatically be marked as attendance because this is an attendance addition button. Then choose any points. Your employees might earn points whenever they do something incorrectly with their attendance. I'll go ahead and say 0. Maybe this is that person's first offense. Then I can add any notes I want to. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this attendance, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Now that employee's time for this day has been added. Notice that the new time entry says confirmed. That's letting me know it's no longer an issue or an error. The old one stays void because we cannot legally delete time that an employee has clocked, but we can void it and replace it with a corrected time. That's how you can add attendance to time issues in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and view the details of your employees' time issues.